Hi guys, IMXI above buy it above 2250 and with a stop at the low of yesterday's afternoon, before afternoon pivot at 2202. That's the trade for today. And hey guys, this is Forte. It's July 19th, 2022, 5:54 p.m. And then the stock idea I want to share with you guys is IMXI, right? I think it's a, I don't know, what is it, International Money Express? I think it's one of those companies that trades money, sends money to different countries, right? You can trade send US dollars to China or to India, and they also do that for you. And the reason why I want to do this trade is that, first of all, it's a pretty recent IPO from late 2018, and now it's setting up pretty nicely. When the market was making lower lows, the stock was making basically all-time highs about 3 weeks ago. If you take a look at how this thing consolidates, put in this base right here, and then we're putting another base, putting in higher lows, and now we broke, above that on really high volume, and now we're holding right here, putting in people like to call this, double bottom, whatever, right? But basically, it looks good, and I think we're about to break into all-time high, even in this market, right? And I show you guys where I want to buy this thing, pretty much above today's high right here, and the stop, not exactly at today's low, but yesterday's 12 o'clock low that it made. And I don't think we need to put it down to that all the way at today's low. I think that this is good enough. The volume looks good. We can see that when it starts consolidating, it's on low volume. Whenever the candle is red, it's lower than usual. When it's advancing, the stock put in big volume, meaning that there are big boys buying the stock. Basically, it does trade a little bit lower than average volume, and we do have earnings coming up in about a week, 2 weeks, basically 2 weeks. And that's this trade. And let's go over, with the SPY, where SPY is touching the 50-day moving average. QQ already had it rejected once, and then now we're getting above that. The volume is below previous days, but on the SPY we do have a, they call the fall through day, right? We advanced more than about 1.9%, and the volume is higher than yesterday, but we are still below the major moving averages. If we look at it on the 50. On the weekly chart, we're above the 10-week, 20-week, 30-week, 40-week moving averages. So therefore, we're still in the downtrend. We're not out of the woods yet. And just start taking some small trades here and there. IMXI is the one I like to recommend. Another one I want to show you guys is not Funko, sorry. Is not this one. Yeah, it is this one. Yeah. EVH, and I think it was DY, but DY kind of broke out. I didn't buy it. It was good breakout. If you guys bought it, congrats. But I didn't like it. I don't like engineer construction companies. They're kind of dog shit to me, but it could get going, but who knows. But EVH is one that I think it's getting pretty prepared. If we look at it on the weekly chart, it's breaking out of this huge base right here, and it's also close. It also broke into all-time high 3 weeks ago, just like IMXI did. And now we are consolidating it above the 20-week moving average. And we can see that the 50-week moving average already act as where buyers actually showed up. And now we're trailing with the 20-day moving average. I think if we can get this thing above yesterday's high, this thing could get going. But the main trading idea for tomorrow is IMXI. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. And like, subscribe, follow, what is it? Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/ForteCharts. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, comment. I always reply to them. Thank you.